My name is Randy Menini, and I am here to talk to you about affiliate marketing prospecting tips. At the end of this video, there will be a link to a program where that you can learn all you need to learn about how to promote your business, or you can promote this business if you like to make more money or to make money from home. A lot of folks don't know a step-by-step system that you need to have in place to make money from home. And this can be done in 6 months, 9 months, a year, or some people have even done it in 90 days. It all depends on your desire, skill level. If you really want to make money from home, it's all here. It's all inclusive in this system, in this program. So at the end of this video, there will be a link below the video. Just click on it and we will teach you step by step. There will be videos, and along with those videos is written information that you can follow along with the video. And Justin Temple is the designer of the system. He worked for 8 months, and while he was working for somebody, he designed a system, and he hasn't gone back to a job yet since then, if you would, because of the system. He works from home and doesn't have to report to anybody, doesn't have a boss looking over his shoulder. The only boss he looks at is the one in the mirror. So if that's what the lifestyle you'd like to have, click on the link below this video and let's get started.